On row 5, relief color, we have the diagonals. And let's try to do them. All diagonals are done with the relief color, so they are only on relief color rows. Okay. Row 5, first stitch is an F. Okay. Next stitch is a diagonal, and it is a B combined with a diagonal to the left. And the next stitch here, you will have a DC in every stitch, an F or a B in every stitch. And this diagonal is combined with a B, and B is going to be here. So let's start with the B. Like this, and pull through, and don't pull through the last time. So now we are going to make the diagonal to the left, and this is actually to the left to the B stitch. So that is here. So the diagonal going left is going to be yarn over twice because it's a triple crochet, and then you have to make it right here because this stitch is left to the B. Okay, yarn over twice, and now you have 3 loops on the hook, and go through both. Then you have crocheted the B and the diagonal together. Okay, chain, and the next B is actually going to lie here in the same stitch you just made the diagonal in. Okay, like that. Now you have a DC in every stitch, and the diagonal is an extra stitch lying between 2 stitches, 2 F's or B's. So now we continue 7 B's, 7 B's. The next stitch is a double to the right combined with a B. So the next DC B is going to be here, but we will this time start with a diagonal to the right. So diagonal is yarn over twice, and the diagonal right to the next B is actually here. Right here is right to the next B. So your diagonal is going to lie here, pull through twice, and wait the third time, and then you make your B, and your B was going to be here, like this, and pull through all 3 loops. Okay, so now you have a diagonal going right, crocheted together with the B, and you have a DC in every stitch, and this is the extra diagonal stitch lying between. Your diagonals will be fixed nicely when you do the background color row. And this row, number 5, BC, that is 11 F stitches. And let me show you how you fix the diagonals nicely. F stitches, Let's just start here. This diagonal is going to be fixed by the next white stitch here. And you can see it is easy for me to go down here, but that will be wrong, because if I do this, the diagonal will not lie correct. I need to have the diagonal lying on top of this cross. And this last diagonal was a diagonal to the left, and then you can remember that you will do your stitch on left side of the diagonal. So you go down here with your F stitch, and now it lies correctly, your diagonal lies correctly on top of this cross. Let's continue here as well. The last diagonal here was to the right, and maybe you can remember to go under the diagonal from the right side down into the stitch like this, and then it will lie nicely on top of the diagonal lies nicely on top of the BC cross.